Schools often need to share syllabi documents and other information with the sites they work with for student placements. The Site Resources page serves as a dedicated website to house these resources, which can be easily shared with sites. On this page, you can include a welcome message, announcements, clinical education schedule, program-wide and course-specific resources, and contact information for faculty and staff. Sites can access the information shared by the school without needing to log in. It is important to note that this page cannot be searched online. This video is divided into 8 chapters, covering how to set up the Site Resources page and effectively share it with clinical or field partners. Please note that some of the links on the Site Resources page can be customized to reflect your discipline terminology. To set up the Site Resources page, click on the Program Details tile from your dashboard or left-hand hamburger menu. Next, click on the Site Resource Page section. First, click on the Welcome Message accordion to expand it. You can indicate if you want to include a welcome message. To add a welcome message, click on the Add Welcome Message button. You can then enter a title and body for your welcome message. When you are done, click Save. If you would like to delete a previously added welcome message, click on the trash bin icon. If you would like to edit a previously added welcome message, click on the pencil icon. Next, click on the Announcements accordion. Then indicate whether you would like to include any announcements using the corresponding bit. Then click on the Open New Page icon to take you to the site announcement page. You will see a list of upcoming, current, and former announcements scheduled. To add a new announcement, click on the Add Announcement button. You will then need to enter the start time, end time, and title for the announcement. To select a start time, click on the calendar icon. You can then select the date for the announcement. Next, you will be prompted to select the time you would like for the announcement to go active. You will then repeat the process to select an expiration time for the announcement. You can then provide a description for the announcement and attach a related document if necessary. First, take note of the supported file types and size limits, then click on the Browse to Upload button and select the document. To display the announcement on your Site Resources page, enable the Show on Site Resources page bit. You are then ready to save. To edit an already added announcement, click on the pencil icon of that announcement. You can then make changes to that announcement. When you are done, be sure to save. Now navigate back to the Site Resources Setup page. And expand the Clinical Education Schedule accordion. Please note that the name of this section can be different based on your discipline terminology. If you would like to display the rotation schedule to your sites, enable the Include Selected Rotation Start Dates and End Dates bit. You will then need to indicate the specific rotations you would like to include. Click on the Open New Page icon, and the newly opened tab will take you to the Placement section. Click on a course which holds the rotations you would like to add to the Site Resources page. Then click on the Rotation Setup tab. Click on the name of the rotation you would like to add to the Site Resources page, then scroll down and turn on the Show on Site Resources page bit. This rotation will then appear in the Clinical Education Schedule section of the Site Resources page. Back on the Site Resources Setup page, click on the Resources for Clinicians accordion. Activate the Include Selected Resources bit if you would like to provide specific resources on your Site Resources page. Click on the Open New Page icon, and the newly opened tab will take you to the Resources page of the Sites section. Click on one of the categories in the category list to view the resources added to that category. Click on the pencil icon to make changes to the category list. Click on the Add New Category button to add a new category. You can change the names of categories in the category list using the corresponding text box. To delete a previously added category, click on the corresponding trash bin icon. Click the Save button when you are finished. To add a new resource, click on the Add Resource button. You will then need to select which type of resource you would like to add. Then indicate which category you would like to include the resource in. You can then provide a name and description for the resource. If you chose to add a resource of the document type, scroll down to the Browse to Upload button. Be sure to review the supported file types and size limits, then click the Browse to Upload button and upload the document. If you chose the link or video type of resource, you would need to provide a link in the URL text box. If you chose to add a FAQ, you will provide the question in the text box above, and the answer in the text area below. After you have provided your resource, you can indicate if you want to include the resource on the Site Resources page. Be sure to save when you are finished. You can filter this list of resources by checking and unchecking the boxes next to each resource type. You can also use the search box to search for specific resources. You can also rearrange the list of resources by clicking on the Reorder button. You can then drag and drop resources using the double ellipses to rearrange them. When you are done, click Save. Lastly, if you would like to delete previously added resources, click on the trash bin icon. If you would like to edit previously added resources, click on the pencil icon. You can then make the necessary changes and save it. Go back to the Site Resources Setup page. Activate the Include Selected Course Documents bit if you would like to include specific course resources to the clinical site. Then click on the corresponding Open New Page icon. You will be taken to your course offerings page. Click on the course name whose resources you would like to include on the Site Resources page. Under the About section of the course, make sure to turn on the Share with Site bit to display the course on the Site Resources page. Then go to the Resources section of the course. This page functions similarly to the Resource page under the Sites section. If you would like to add a resource, you will follow the same process illustrated in the Adding Resources from the Site Resources section. To share a previously added resource with sites, click on the pencil icon next to the resource name, then activate the Show on Site Resource page bit. Repeat this step for all the course resources you want to add to the Site Resources page. Back on the Site Resource Setup page, click on the Clinical Education Contacts banner. Activate the Include Selected Faculty and Staff bit to display faculty contact information on the Site Resources page. Then click on the Open New Page icon and a new page will open directing you to the Faculty and Staff page. Click on one of the faculty members' names whose contact information you would like to share. Then click on the Contact Sharing button at the top of the page. Scroll down and activate the Share on Site Resources page bit. You can also provide notes about this faculty member to the clinical site using the Notes area below. Once you are done, be sure to save. You have now fully set up your Site Resources page. To do a preview of your Site Resources page, navigate back to the Site Resource Setup page and click on the View Site Resource Page link at the top of the page. You can then view all the resources you have added. At the top of the page, you will see the welcome message you have added. On the left, you will see any active announcements you have added. Click on the Clinical Education Schedule tile to view the rotation dates you have added. Click on the Program-Wide Resources for Clinicians tile to view the resources you have added. You can use the tabs at the top of the page to view the course-specific resources you have added or the program-wide resources you have added. Lastly, click on the Clinical Education Contacts tile to view the faculty and staff members' contact information you have shared on this page. When you want to share the Site Resources page with sites, simply copy the URL of the page and send it directly to them or include the link in your communications. They will be able to access this page exactly as it appears on your end. Thank you for watching our Setting Up the Site Resources page tutorial. Please take the time to check out our other helpful Exxat Prism tutorials.